Today I want to talk about chicken soup. We need to make it fast, we need to make it easy, we need it to be nutritional, and most importantly, when we make it ourselves, it's nourishing. And we want to have that, especially in the winter time when our bodies need a lot of warmth and our families need healing. Let's put it together. You're going to love this. So we're going to start with just adding the oil. Oh, maybe a quarter of a cup is fine. Just some olive oil, that's all I'm using today. And then I'm going to saute the chicken, 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to add in the salt and the pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, up to a 1/2 teaspoon, depending on how spicy you want it. And then I'm going to add 3 bay leaves. I'm going to put a tablespoon of rosemary, but what I'm going to do is crush it and smash it so it releases the flavor. Rosemary on chicken is so good. And we're going to put that in so it cooks into the meats as we saute it. So now that I've sauteed this for about 5 minutes, it's time to add the other ingredients. First, I'm going to add a cup of broccoli chopped. Then I'm going to add a cup of cauliflower chopped up. I'm going to add 5 sprigs of kale chopped and deveined. You want to make sure you take out the veins on that kale. And then I'm going to add 1 carrot that's been chopped up and 2 potatoes that have been chopped. We're going to take 6 cups of chicken broth and we're going to pour it inside. Now this is going to cook down, so we're just going to stir it up, put a lid on it, bring it to a boil, and we're going to have some yummy soup. Look at how beautiful that is. So I brought the soup to a boil and then I simmered it for 30 minutes, and look at this beautiful, nourishing soup that will warm anyone's heart and tummy on a cold day, served with a nice bread or crackers of your choice. Yum.